5 ways to stop worrying about what others think of you and live your authentic life. Have you ever wanted to try something, to do something, to be a certain way? Did you follow through with those desires, or did you stop dead in your tracks out of fear of what others would think? If you said yes, keep reading to find your way out of the pigeonhole you're in and live the life you want. 1. Ignore the fear. Fear is in all of us. It's a primal emotion and instinct that has allowed all creatures to survive for thousands of years by escaping danger. However, in today's world, we often experience fear that comes from no real threat. Really, what is the risk in someone disagreeing with you? What's the danger of being wrong? Fear, when manifested, can lead to many other emotions and physical symptoms that can stop you from living the life you want. If there is no real danger, for example, death or bodily injury, then go for it. 2. So what? Or what if? What if she doesn't like me? What if they think my business idea is stupid? So what? That's only one person. That is only one board of directors. What if she has had a crush on you this whole time? What if they think your idea is brilliant? Continually fearing the what ifs in life is exhausting. Move past those what ifs with a so what. 3. Live the rejection. Rejection happens, and it hurts. However, with every rejection comes a lesson. Maybe that lesson is what you need to do better next time, or maybe that the person who rejected you has no idea what they're talking about. To succeed and prosper, you must live through rejection. Just know that not every rejection is a poor reflection on you. 4. Do it wrong. Do you live in fear of being wrong or messing something up? Don't. No one can be right or perfect or on point all the time. Stop questioning every decision you make, every emotion you feel, or every action you take. Simply enjoy it. Do what feels right and keep going. 5. Be you. Be you. Be you unapologetically. Be you and feel no guilt. Dr. Seuss once said, "Today you are you. That is truer than true. There is no one alive who is youer than you." Living in a constant state of worry about what others think about you is exhausting. It'll also impede you from living your best life, your authentic life every time. Learn to embrace yourself, your mistakes, the rejections, and the lessons, and live your life for you.